Every answer an AI gives you was shaped by a human hand you will never see. Not a programmer in Silicon Valley, a worker, often on the other side of the world, labeling one example at a time. In Nairobi, thousands sit down each morning to teach machines what things mean. This is a cat. This answer is better. This image is unsafe. Click by click, judgment becomes data. AI looks like magic made of math. Underneath, it is something else as well. It is the largest classroom in human history, and the teachers are people. Nairobi, Bangalore, Caracas, morning shifts, logging in across 3 continents. Last time we followed the money into data centers. Today we follow it to the desks the industry never shows you. So, let the machine's own guide show you where its mind actually came from. It came from here, one click at a time. The job has many names: data labeling, annotation, human feedback. The tasks look deceptively simple. Draw a box around every car. Mark which of 2 answers is more helpful, A or B, thousands of times a day. Flag what a chatbot should never say. Someone must decide where the line is. Remember the humans ranking answers from our hallucination story? These are those humans. Each click seems tiny. Multiplied by millions, the clicks become the judgment of the machine. What it considers true, what it considers helpful, what it considers safe. When your chatbot politely declines something harmful, a person taught it that line, example by example. The machine's manners are a curriculum, and every curriculum has authors. The same rankings we learned also taught the machine that confidence gets rewarded. Lessons cut both ways. The work flows where English is strong and wages are low. Kenya, India, Venezuela. India's annotation workforce has passed 450,000 people. One platform alone counts over 1 million contributors around the world. And the pay spans a canyon. Basic labeling in Kenya commonly earns $2 to $3 an hour. Thousands doing the hardest work earn as little as $1.10. Meanwhile, doctors and coders labeling expert data earn $25 to $50 an hour or more. Same industry, same mission. A 50-fold gap between its floor and its ceiling. Every click, cheap or expensive, flows into the same place. For many, this is the front door into the digital economy. Real work, real income, real skills. But one corner of this work is heavier than all the rest, and almost nobody talks about it. The hardest job is content moderation. For a model to be safe, someone must first look at everything unsafe. The internet's worst, reviewed and labeled hour after hour, so the machine never repeats it. Researchers compare the psychological toll to that of emergency dispatchers and war journalists. Burnout, secondary trauma, sometimes PTSD. The studies use clinical words for human weight. These workers are the reason your feed and your chatbot feel clean. The cleanliness was not free. It was carried, often for around $1.50 an hour. Inside the machine, their labor becomes a shield you never see. If AI has a hidden cost the industry rarely puts on stage, it is this one. Which makes the next part of this story matter even more. Because this invisible industry is finally being seen and counted. Data labeling. Roughly $2 billion this year, heading towards $6.5 billion by 2031. The human feedback market alone, from about $3 billion toward nearly $19 billion by 2034. One data company is valued around $14 billion, built on human judgment, at scale. And the work is climbing the ladder, from drawing boxes toward expert judgment. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, teaching machines what only experts know. Formal employers now offer contracts at double the local minimum wage, with health insurance. Far from perfect, also not standing still, both true at once, like most real progress. The market is voting. Human judgment is not a cost to eliminate. It is the scarcest ingredient. So what should you do with all this? Next time you open a chat window. First, remember that artificial intelligence is partly human intelligence, collected click by click. Respect the answer accordingly, and question it accordingly. Both honor the people behind it. Second, when a model refuses something dark, that refusal is a person's workday. The safety you take for granted was taught by someone, somewhere, today. Third, the debate about AI and jobs usually looks forward. This story already happened. AI has already created millions of jobs. The real question is their quality. The machine you talk to every day has thousands of invisible co-authors. Today, at least, you know they exist. And knowing changes how you see every answer on your screen. One question remains. How does all of it, data, clicks, chips, teachers, become a finished mine? How an AI model is actually built, start to finish. From raw internet to the assistant in your pocket. Next time.